Happy birthday, Kuya Kurt. Aral na mabuti.
Lagi ka naman. Daddy,
Sana lahat ng wish mo matupad.
karoon na mabuti. Para sa iyo yan.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Kurt.
Happy birthday, Kuya Kurt. We love you.
We love you. Mag-aral ka mabuti, Kuya Kurt. Ingat palagi. Makinig ka lagi kila Mami
Mami at Daddy.
We love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Kuya Yodge. Happy birthday, happy birthday,
Happy birthday to you.
Kuya Yodge.
Hey, hey.
Yeah, hey. Happy birthday, Kuya Yodge.
Be a good boy palagi. God bless.
We wish you more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day.
I love you.
We love you.
Love you.
Hi! We are the Galpo family!
Look, bakit may odds? Paano to skip? Look, sino naglipat ng channel?
Happy birthday, Kuya
Ilang seconds yun? Sayang, hindi ko nabit yung record.
Hindi ko pa na-stop.
Hi, Yoji! Happy birthday! Ang wish ko sa'yo, mag-aaral ka mabuti at lagi kang ngumiti. Ang cute-cute mo pinakamiti ka. Again, happy birthday! Love, Mom Lizelle!
Hi Jollibee! Yoji, happy birthday! More birthdays to come!
Happy birthday, Yoji! Wish namin sa'yo is always good health at maging mabait na bata at maging masunurin ikaw sa iyong mga magulang at sana lahat ng mga pangarap mong sa buhay ay matupad. Happy birthday again! Happy birthday, bro!
Kuya George, kamusta ka na? Miss na kita. Happy birthday! Hi, Kuya Peg! Happy birthday!
Hi, Kurt! Happy birthday!
Hi Kurt! Happy birthday! So, ayan, kilala mo pa si Ninang. So, ayan, happy birthday. Big boy ka na. So, kailangan mo na ng kapatid. Char. So, ayun, ang wish lang ni Ninang is mag-aral ka ng mabuti. Lagi kang susunod kay mami at kay daddy. Hindi naman 100% is laging nandyan si Ninang for you, pero lagi kang isasama ni Ninang sa prayer na maging malusog lang and naway matupad mo lahat yung mga dreams mo sa buhay. So, ayun. So, pag nagkita tayo, pawi si Ninang. Love you!
Happy birthday, George. Wish ko sa'yo is stay healthy, stay focused, and stay beauty. Ingat ka palagi. Ganda ka yung journey. Sana tayo soon. See you, my bro. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday sa'yo, Kuya George. Happy birthday, Pogi. I love you. Sa'yo muna si Mika ngayon.
Yun. Happy birthday, George. Wish you all the best and good luck sa pag-aaral. Stay pogi and ingat ka palagi sa school. Kung saan ka man pumunta, ingat palagi. TikTok quiz ng Cavite yan, boss.
Happy birthday.
Dancer ng Ekibac.
Birthday, boss.